Welcome to the Series Lock Xgen Quick Connect System tutorial. Let's walk through the simple steps of connecting and disconnecting the Series Lock Xgen connector. Begin by pushing the connectors together until you hear a click. This sound indicates that the two independent latches are securely locked in place. Latches are locked when valves are open. Next, push the orange rings toward the center. This action pushes through the sterile barrier. Twist the orange rings clockwise with a 45-degree rotation until rotation stops to lock them. This creates a seal from left to right, ensuring the valves remain closed during this process. Push the gray rings toward the center. This opens the opposing valve and locks the connection latch into place. Finally, twist the gray rings clockwise with another 45-degree rotation until rotation stops to lock. The assembly is complete and the valves are open for flow. When it's time to disconnect the Series Lock Xgen, the gray and orange rings must be loosened first. Untwist the gray rings counterclockwise with a 45-degree rotation until rotation stops. The rings are spring-loaded and will self-retract. This closes the opposing valve and unlocks the connection latch. Untwist the orange rings counterclockwise with a 45-degree rotation until rotation stops to unlock them. These are not spring-loaded and will require manual retraction. Pull the orange rings towards the barb. There will be some tension as the vacuum is released. Finally, push the orange button in the direction of the open arrow on both sides to release the assembly. Now, simply pull the unit apart and the sterile barrier covers the valve.